Good morning and welcome to News 9. I'm Nishchita, and first up, in a truly spine-chilling story, a woman from Madhya Pradesh has had the world's longest ectopic pregnancy after doctors removed the skeleton of a baby that had been inside her for nearly 4 decades. Kantabai Thakre wasn't expecting to make medical history when she sought treatment for stomach pains, fever and urinary problems, but that's exactly what happened. Doctors found a lump on her right side and were worried that the 60-year-old had cancer. However, the subsequent routine tests cleared her of any tumors, but found something almost as upsetting. The woman had become pregnant in 1978 at the age of 24, but was told that the fetus most likely wouldn't survive because it was an ectopic pregnancy. Although she lost the child, she was too scared to have the fetus removed via surgery, so she just medicated the pain until she assumed that the situation resolved itself. And today, after 38 years in fact, the child's skeletal remains were removed from inside the woman's body. Well, Kantabai Thakre from India, in fact, became pregnant at the age of 24, 38 years back. But the doctors suggested that her pregnancy wouldn't last because it was an ectopic pregnancy. And that's when she lost her baby. But she was too scared to undergo surgery to remove the dead fetus. Instead, she just consumed medication until the pain subsided. She decided that the pain had subsided and hence the problem had resolved itself. But when the pain surfaced many years later, close to 4 decades later, doctors were shocked to find the skeletal remains of the baby inside. It is said that she visited doctors at the NKP Salve Institute of Medical Sciences in Nagpur, and doctors felt a lump on her lower right side, and a CT scan discovered a mass made of hard, calcified matter. Murtaza Akhtar, who is the doctor and the head of surgery at the hospital, said that the victim was constantly complaining of consistent pain in her abdomen and she had urinary problems with high fever. When they found the lump, they feared that it was cancer, but after she underwent the MRI and CT scan, they could make out that it was actually a matured skull encapsulated in a calcified sac. That's when the doctors inquired the victim about her medical history, and that's when she told that she got pregnant in the year 1978, but her child had died and that she was too scared to get the fetus removed from her body and went home to her village without ever removing the fetus. She only took some treatment from her local health center, and this could be rated as the world's longest ectopic pregnancy, is what doctors are saying at this point in time. Quite shocking indeed. The dead fetus, which is almost 36 years old, was inside the body of the woman. The team searched for medical literature on similar cases and found that a Belgian woman who had retained the remains of an ectopic pregnancy for 18 years had been the longest period. And now the woman from Nagpur has retained the baby skeleton for almost 36 years. Dr. Pritesh Kiran now joins us over the phone line. Well, doctor, first of all, if you can just tell us what exactly is ectopic pregnancy and how does it remain in one's body for so many years?
Well, an ectopic pregnancy, at the outset, thanks for putting me on line. An ectopic pregnancy is something that is outside the uterus of the lady. Usually pregnancies occur within the uterus of the lady, but when a pregnancy occurs outside this uterine area, which is usually the place where the baby develops, that is in either what we call the fallopian tubes or the ovaries, at that point in time this is what we call an ectopic pregnancy. Now, an ectopic pregnancy is not such a rare occurrence at all. Ectopic pregnancies do happen quite frequently as far as pregnancies are concerned. And there are several reasons why ectopic pregnancies could occur, starting from even the use of something as simple as intrauterine devices. Ectopic pregnancies usually are detected quite early on, and as a result of the failure for such a child to be able to grow to its complete growth in its site, such as a fallopian tube. The symptoms usually include pain in the abdomen, as well as a sudden surgical emergency, which may result in the lady being rushed to the hospital for surgery. But in rare circumstances, such ectopic pregnancies cease growth, and in such circumstances, they may become fossilized within the individual, as a result of which, in this current case, as has been seen, it might have gone undetected.
Well, and also, Dr. Pritesh, for 36 years she had inside her body. How do you think she coped with it? Would there have been constant pain? Is it sheer ignorance, and not only on part of the victim, not only on part of the woman, but also on part of the local medical practitioners who have been giving her painkillers over the years?
Well, definitely, 36 years is something, totally unheard of. From what I've heard, I think, the longest such ectopic pregnancy has been 18 years outside of India. But definitely, she would have complained of some amount of vague abdominal pains. She might have felt some amount of discomfort at certain points in time, which have gone unnoticed, and certainly these should have been investigated earlier to be able to have provided relief to this lady in case she had problems in the past.
Right. Thank you, Dr. Pritesh, for speaking to us and sharing all those that information with us. Well, there we have it. This woman in Nagpur is said to have had the ectopic fetus for almost 36 years in her womb because she was too scared to undergo surgery in the year 1978 after her baby died because it was an ectopic pregnancy. As Dr. Pritesh pointed out, ectopic pregnancy means that the baby or the pregnancy is outside the uterus, and there is a very, very bleak chance of the baby surviving, and that was the case in the woman's instance as well, as the baby passed away, and the woman was too scared to get the fetus removed, and she just consumed tablets over the years to subside the pain. And recently she approached the doctors in Nagpur saying that she had constant fever, and she had constant stomach pain and urinary tract problems, and that's when the doctors conducted a detailed inquiry, a CT scan, and they revealed that there was a calcified mass inside. Well, the mass was found between the uterus, the intestines, and the bladder, densely stuck to all the organs. The amniotic fluid that protects the fetus might have absorbed, and the soft tissues liquefied over time, with only a bag full of bones with some fluid remaining, is what doctors said. In the last few months, the patient was experiencing pain and urinary problems with fever. He said that this was caused by the mass compressing of the urinary system, compromising the functioning of the kidneys.